Welcome to the first coding competition results. It's been a brilliant summer. It's been a fantastically creative summer, as I've seen people through workshops or through online tutorials or through this competition. I've seen people really try out some new ideas. And there's been some great projects as a result, whether they're games, platformers, shoot 'em ups, puzzles or quizzes. It's brilliant. It's been absolutely amazing to see. And this competition too has been fabulous. We had 12 people enter in total. Each project, each entry was completely different. Although the theme was signals, and you could interpret that however you wanted, being incorporate the signals theme into your game, or maybe incorporate it into how you build it with sending signals to different sprites using broadcasts, for example. It was really up to you. And it was brilliant to see. I know people say it time and time again when judging competitions, but it really was hard to judge. Like really, really difficult, because they were just amazing. But I took into account the ages and abilities, and I could tell whether games have been tested and tweaked and polished. So I factored that all in, and we've got a winner. But before I reveal who's won this year's coding competition, I'd like to give a few shout outs to a number of projects that really impressed me. So here we go.
So the writer of this game actually won our competition a couple of years ago, and I have to say their puzzle making abilities are really coming on strong. I really like this game. It's just got a nice feel to it. I got a bit stuck in the puzzles occasionally, and the character got stuck in a wall every now and again, but what a great game. Give it a bit more polish and you'll have a cracking game on your hands. This one too was really interesting. It was sort of a quiz, but also taught you about what types of vehicles or emergency vehicles could jump the red light signals at traffic lights. I thought this was a really interesting take on the theme, so very well done indeed. This game was really polished. I can tell a lot of time had been spent testing it, and it's really, really paid off. I love how it all feels and how it gels. I like the pixelation as well when you get hit, which in my case was quite a lot because I wasn't very good at playing it. And I'd like to award this one best effort. So very well done indeed. This one is the winner. This is from a young coder, and they've incorporated something different to the usual racetrack game. Whenever there's a red light, you have to stop. When it's green, you go. And there's a couple of entries very similar to this, but I thought this one deserved praise because it was excellent. So well done.
And there you have it. They were fantastic, weren't they? Really, really good. If you didn't win, don't worry. There'll be other competitions that we'll be running later on next year, or maybe even Christmas. So keep your eyes peeled. But don't let it put you off trying out new ideas. It's the only way we learn, isn't it? If we try out new concepts and ideas and experiment with different blocks and how they all interact with one another to produce something different. Give it a go. Give it a go. Keep experimenting, keep creating, and keep making, more importantly. Don't forget, have a look at our what workshops we've got if you want to improve on your game building skills and abilities in Scratch, or even Python if you want to take the step and develop your Python skills or learn how to program games in Python. Then check out our Facebook page, check out our website, and yeah, keep in touch. But anyway, if you've won if you're the winner of the competition, or you're the runner-up for best effort, then please get in touch, and we'll be winging a prize your way shortly. Thanks again for everyone who entered. And take care. Bye-bye.